The idea that a home has asbestos can feel a little unsettling, especially for first-time home buyers. Most people just know to avoid breathing it in. But what is asbestos, and should you be concerned if a property has asbestos in it? I'm Noelle Frank, sales representative with the Blue Coast team in Sarnia. Today, we're taking a look at asbestos in the home and what we can do about it. So, what is asbestos? Asbestos is a naturally occurring mineral which had been used in construction materials for decades. In the early 1980s, many governments realized how dangerous this naturally occurring mineral could be. That's why the Canadian government began introducing regulations to limit its use around this time. But why did we use asbestos in our homes to begin with? It was popular due to its resistance to fire and its durability and tensile strength, which means it could hold up against strong forces without changing shape or breaking down. How does asbestos pose a health risk? There are two main types of asbestos: chrysotile, white, and amosite, brown. There is evidence to suggest that both can lead to mesothelioma, an aggressive form of cancer. This is because fibers from the mineral become trapped in the chest or abdomen, causing cell damage over time. Where might asbestos be found in homes? Asbestos was used in a huge variety of things, particularly in homes built or refurbished between 1950s and 1980s. This includes roof shingles and corrugated panels, paint and plaster, textured ceilings, wall and pipe insulation, drywall, vinyl flooring, and linoleum and caulking. If you have some ancient appliances, you might find asbestos in dishwashers, fridges, heaters, ovens, and stoves. Can asbestos be removed from your home safely? Yes, but you'll want to do some thorough testing before doing anything major. You can purchase test kits online, which you will need to send samples back for analysis. Or you can hire a certified hazardous material removal company to test your home and remove the materials if any are found. Thanks for watching, and it's time to come home to the Blue Coast.